In this video, I am going to show you how to add the Google Maps to Wix website. So it's very simple. Once you are in the website dashboard, all you have to do is just click on this plus icon right here, which says add elements. And from here, just go to the search option. We will use this search option and right here, maps. So just click here, write maps, hit enter, and it will show you a couple of options. But since we want to use and link the Google Maps, I'll click here. And there we have a couple of options. So whatever kind of format you like, you write pink spots, sky blue, so square. So these are different formats that you can use. So for example, I like this one, which says highways, or let's say this one, this is sky blue. Let's add this. And now the maps is inserted. If you want to update our location, just click on the settings after that. And now the map is loaded. But if you want to manage the locations, you have different tabs right here at the bottom. So we will click on the one it says manage locations, click here, and it will ask you how many locations do you have. We are just taking an example of one location. So we will add one, and this is the sample address, but we will change this one with ours. Now I'm just taking an example of this particular office. Let's copy this. I'll just go to the manage locations and paste this address, and let's write here main office, just like so. And you can add the description and the link text with it if you like, and just hit done. And after that, we can fit it wherever we want. So let me just fit it to the right place. Okay, I have updated one section in which I have written our location, how to reach us. You can do this by adding the simple titles and a main section. So this is how you can do it. And as we can see, the map is showing the correct address as we have set. Let's click on preview. And as we can see, as we go down, this is the location which is showing as a Google map. So this is how you do it. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.